Welcome to IZMIR Estate, your go-to source for all things real estate and legal services in the beautiful city of Izmir. My name is Rod, and in today's video we're going to be discussing the age-old debates of investing real estate versus the stock market. Many people turn to the stock market as a means of growing their wealth. However, it's important to note that the stock market can be volatile and unpredictable. The S&P 500, for example, has seen an average annual return of around 9 to 10% over the past 90 years. But it's important to keep in mind that these returns are not guaranteed. On the other hand, investing in real estate has been shown to provide more stable and consistent returns. According to the National Association of Realtors, the average annual return on investment for rental properties is around 10 to 15%. And owning a rental property can also provide a steady stream of passive income. But real estate investment isn't just about the financial benefits. It's also about creating a tangible asset that can provide a roof over your head or a place for your loved ones to call home. And investing in real estate in Izmir, with its growing economy and increasing population, is a smart choice. At IZMIR Estate, we specialize in helping you navigate the real estate market in Izmir and other cities of Turkey. And we're here to help you make informed decisions about your investments, whether you're looking to buy your first home, invest in a rental property, or sell your current property. We've got you covered. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you make the most of your real estate investments. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We'll see you in our next video. Görüşürüz.